What is algorithmic trading? Hi, it's Des here from The Money Pouch to answer, what is algorithmic trading? Algorithmic trading, or algo trading, relies on computer systems to buy shares automatically when certain predefined market conditions are met. For example, our algos lock in profit when shares rise through rebalancing the stock and bond mix by selling equities and buying more bonds for safety. Conversely, when equities fall in price, our algorithm would sell some safe bonds and purchase more shares to keep the risk to return consistent. This is the opposite of typical human behavior. Many traders tend to dump shares when prices fall, missing out on future price rises and profit. Algorithmic trading overcomes investor fear and greed to increase long-term returns. To understand this in detail, please see our video, What is Rebalancing? Please visit the Money Pouch in the link below to see our targeted annual returns.